Hey everybody, just gonna throw another little video out here. I got my package from Danny Collins that he was very kind and held that for me until I was able to get home so it wouldn't be sitting out in the weather. If you see this, Danny, thank you for that very much. The first box I'm gonna open up here is some flint I ordered, and then the second box is a point and a book, and I've cut them open yet, but I haven't looked inside either one of them yet, so let's have a look and see what we got in here. Alright, so let's have a look. Can't wait. Ooh, look at that. Man. I don't know how well y'all can see that. That's a pretty material. Nice colors, patterns. Hopefully I'm going to get some beautiful points out of that. I like it, I like it, I like it. One thing's for sure, I have never ever been disappointed in a piece of rock I bought off Danny. I always encourage anybody to buy there. He's my go-to. I have a few other guys. Curtis Smith never let me down. Brad Moore from Learning the Flint Knaps never let me down. They're great resources. There's several more out there. That's just the three that I use the most. I've never had any issues out of any of them guys. So strongly, if you're looking for flint or rock or anything like that, it's some good stuff right there, guys. Good stuff. All right, let's get to this second box, the one I've been waiting on. All righty. All right, so here's where I get the rock from, if y'all can see that. I'll figure out how to turn this in the camera here. Like that right there, I think. So, Danny Collins, his website's right there. That's who I ordered this rock from. Oh, wow, looky here. Wasn't expecting that. That is awesome. I've been eyeballing these. That's going to make a beautiful knife handle or two or three. Awesome. Very, very awesome. That's cool. Cool, cool, cool. All right. Now, I'm not sure which one's which. Thinking this is my, I don't know what that is. Probably a book, maybe? I don't know. I'll fix to find out. Yep. Nice. It is the 6th edition Indian Arrowhead Overstreet Guide. I'm actually working on trying to collect all of these, get the whole set, which would be pretty awesome to have. Look forward to looking into this one and seeing if it's any different than the rest of them, but I just want to collect the whole set. Two packages. See what we got here. I know what one of them is. One of them probably is another hand pad that I use. And one of them, if I can figure out how to get in this thing. Every time I watch somebody use one of these knives on a video, I'm always like, don't cut toward yourself. And here I am cutting toward myself. All right, so let's see what we got in this box. Whatever it is, I'm gonna like it, I bet you. Got some paper here. Some bubble wrap, so I have something to do. I get bored and always pop a bubble, right? So Danny makes one of my favorite type of points. And I've been wanting a point from him for quite a while. And he started posting a few of them on his website, and I had to take the opportunity to grab one of them babies or somebody else snatched it up. And can't wait to see what's in here, or what it looks like in person. It looks amazing on the video, and it is one of my favorite style points. Actually, it's tied for first place with the Cahokia. So if anybody that knows me probably knows that already. I make a lot of Cahokias, or I attempt to make a lot of Cahokias and Daltons. Getting better all the time, hopefully. Dang. That is so sweet. Sweet, 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 Danny. Get it up here where everybody can see this bad boy. That is nice. Boy, look at them serrations. Ooh, them babies are sharp. Definitely sharp. That's pretty. The base. Got a little flute in it. Can't say enough good about that. Signed it right there. That is definitely going in my case. That's beautiful. I love it, Danny. Thank you. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And I think the last thing I have here to open up is probably my hand pad. Kind of feels like it. Just what I was looking for. Because I about got my other one wore out. It's lasted me a long time, but it's wearing down on me. Oh yeah, look at there. Got me another one for when I do some heavy indirect. I don't get that median ridge when I'm flaking on the tip a little bit. Really, really handy to have. Love it. Great tool. All right, so there we go. Got my first unboxing video. Couldn't be happier. Got a few things here. Got my book. I got my horn. I forgot the name of these, but it looks amazing. Thank you, Danny. And this point is off the chart. That thing is gorgeous. Love it. All right, well, hope y'all enjoyed the video. And Danny, again, I can't say thanks enough. Beautiful stuff. I appreciate it. And y'all keep napping any chance you get. The weather's kind of nasty out there for some of you, but it's going to be cold. But if you get the chance, smack a rock. All right, thanks, everyone.